So here I found some bricks. 9 pesos each. So I'm finally back home. One of these bricks, it jumped off this tricycle and fell down on the asphalt, but it was not cracked. So anyway, because the lady I bought them from, she put some of them here in the front and it just jumped off, but now they are safe home. And that's the quality control. Loose it from the tricycle down on the road. If it doesn't crack, it has passed the security and safety control, right? So here is the new miracle pizza oven. So here is the final design of the pizza oven, I suppose. I suppose it's the final design. Who knows what will come later on. We tried it out last night and it was very nice, of course, because what you do is you put the pizza in a plate like this, you fry it here, and the firewood is under, so the firewood will warm up this floor or of the pizza, and here in the back there is a hole, so the flames will come up. They will come up there, as you can see here, and then they will heat up the ceiling also. So while the pizza is frying, after a little while we take it off when the dough is already quite good and stiff, and we fry it straight here on the bricks. So then what I do, I put this roofing here on top of the pizza stove to help keep the heat inside and also to protect the pizza stove from rainwater, because many times when we want to cook pizza you can be sure there will be rain coming. Okie dokie. So I put some stones here to secure the thing. Here is the firewood, and I use this long metal what do you call it, spattle, I don't know what it's called in English. Metal spade. I found it in the supermarket, in the department store actually. So that's it. Now we are just waiting for the next time to cook, and it will probably be in the evening, so there will be not so much footage from that.